I'm so grateful you clicked on this video, and if you want to see me transform my under sink area from this to this, then be sure you're subscribed and keep on watching. I'll talk you through the whole process to get under the sink decluttered, clean, and organized, and I'll have all the products I use linked in the description box for you. So let's listen to some good music and comment below if you're wanting to organize under your sink for the new year. Happy New Year, by the way. We are now in 2023. Yay! Let's get the area cleaned up by vacuuming and wiping it down, and then I'll put a white liner down to protect the bottom shelf here, and since it's white, it'll brighten up the space. And this part of the video was actually filmed in October of 2022. And actually, if we go back a little bit further, I had a decluttering series on my Living Gratefully channel in the fall of 2021. And that's when I started decluttering under here. And so if you want to see that, where it all began, the link to that one is in the description box. And here is a thumbnail up on the screen and in the cards so you can find it easily. But yeah, this was like a 1.5-year process. I started decluttering and started thinking about what kind of containers I wanted to have under here. Then I bought some containers in the fall of 2022, and now we are in January of 2023, and I'm showing you the final product. So it was a long process, but sometimes it takes a while. Here's a little clip of that decluttering video, and then here we go with the white liner under here.
Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love.
Now I'll start putting some of the organizational containers in here. I had started gathering some of the items from Amazon and from the Home Edit from Walmart, and I'll have everything I use linked below if you want to get you some organizational items for under your sink. And since this was in October of 2022, we utilized this for a few months before revamping it again, which you'll see here in a little bit, which I think was kind of nice because then we could decide what we liked and what we didn't like, and then how we could improve the space even more. So I'm showing you the whole process. This is the interim result, but wait, it gets a lot better when I buy a few more containers, and by using it for a few months, like I said, we decided what we liked and didn't like and what we could do even better. Let's take everything out again, let's wipe it down and get this thing right. I'm so proud of how it turned out as the final result, so I can't wait for you guys to see how everything looks.
But it's over now. You brought out the best in me. Put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love you. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the light.
We did like how the grocery bags are contained in a space here by having a top on there so that you don't have to pull out a drawer or anything. You can just use one hand and reach in there and get one. And by adding the turntable, it really is nice and makes all the sprays easy to get to. I like these wash rags from Walmart. I use these to clean baseboards in particular, and also like they're the kind of rag I reach for if I'm gonna clean the front porch with a bowl of dish soap and water in the hose.
I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say how I feel now, but my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely.
And I bought some white microfiber towels on Amazon.
It's scary to give in, but somehow love always wins. But then I'm lonely, and my mind doesn't understand. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most.
And we have a stock of dish tabs now. I don't think we're gonna run out for a while.
All my thoughts are running round inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed.
I'll use the containers that the white dish tabs came in from Target to contain a few items so that it's aesthetically pleasing, because these containers are white and gray and they can hide, stuff that's not aesthetically pleasing. So I just kind of reused those containers, and that's a good tip too.
If I can't be with you, I'd rather be by myself. No, I can't lie, I don't want anybody.
Okay guys, here is the final result. I hope you like it as much as I do. I can add labels later if I want to, but the clear containers make it easy to tell what's in them. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe to join my amazing YouTube family. I am so blessed to have the best subscribers, always supportive and encouraging to me and to others. And you won't want to miss out on all the cleaning, decluttering, and organizing I have coming in 2023. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for all of your support and love since I started this channel in February of 2022. We are approaching a year of cleaning gratefully, and I am constantly encouraged by you. So thank you so much for being you and for taking your time to watch my videos. And I'll see you next week for more cleaning motivation. Love you guys. Bye.
If